Should you stop dropshipping in 2025? If you don't have a proper knowledge and guidance, you can't be successful. To establish a profitable dropshipping business, you need to follow the following rule: niche research, find the right supplier, product research, website design, and product promotion. If you have heard about dropshipping and know these 5 things but don't know how to research a niche or product, don't start yet until you watch this entire video. Whenever I start a new dropshipping business, I begin with the niche research. Whenever I see ads on social media for beauty products or maybe I've got an idea to sell car accessories, I check their selling potential first using Google Trends to see how interest changes over time. I also check their search volume and competitions using keyword research tool. You can use tools like SEMrush, Moz, Ahrefs, SimilarWeb, or any other alternative. Second, but the most important, I focus on finding the right dropshipping supplier. If you search for dropshipping on Google, you will find many dropshipping companies that offer these services. However, only few of them are truly the best. I personally use fulfillment.com as my dropshipping supplier for several reasons. They offer fast shipping, high quality product, excellent customer support, and access to trending products. When selecting a dropshipping supplier, I always prioritize quick delivery options. Fulfillment has own private line ensures that products are delivered in 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy, and Spain, and 3 to 5 days to UK and France. Every buyer wants a fast delivery. If they notice a longer delivery time from your store, they might lose interest and choose not to buy from your store. Another great reason to choose fulfillment.com is product quality. They have their own warehouse in China where they keep the product as good as new for customer satisfaction. If you have your own hot selling product that sells really fast, you can keep your inventory in their warehouse for free. When you get a new order, they'll ship it using their own private line with custom packaging like your logo on the package, flyer, business card, custom boxes, and more. Fulfillment also offers a product photography service to improve your conversion for your product page and can be integrated with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and more. To do a product research, you don't need to leave the fulfillment.com. Just log in into fulfillment.com, select your niche, and here you'll find viral product every day. This feature will save you time and help you to work on other aspects of this business. Once you completed the niche research and found the right dropshipping supplier, next step is to make sure you have a website to sell your products. If you're unsure how to build a website, I've already created a separate dedicated video to show you guys how to build a dropshipping website, link in the video description. Website creation takes time, so I cannot cover that part in this video. But if you want to get your website up and running quickly, I recommend using Shopify. You can start with the Shopify for $1 a month for 3 months. Link in the video description. Finally, let's see how you can promote the product. When I launch a new dropshipping website and want a quick result, I use Facebook ads. I set up Facebook ad manager account, verify my domain name, and add a pixel to it to track the user behavior on my site. I also create a Facebook page and Instagram account. Next, I run a conversion ad campaign. I usually create 3 ad sets with a minimum budget of $5 to $10 each, targeting different audience. And I run this campaign for at least 3 days. Now let's take a look at the following rule for best conversion.
On the first day, if I get at least 1 click, I let it run for the next day, and if I don't get any click on day first, I stop the campaign and change the target audience and interest. On the second day, I must have 1 add to cart. If I get it, I let it run for the next day. If I don't get any add to cart, I stop the campaign and start with the day 1, where I need 1 click on a day first. At this point, if I don't get any click, then I consider it non-profitable product. Now let's say on the second day, you got 1 add to cart and you let it run for third day. Now on third day, you must need 1 purchase. If you get the purchase on day 3rd, then let it run until you don't get any purchase.
In my advanced Facebook ad course, I'll show you when to scale your campaign and how you can retarget your audience and what is the best CPC for your campaign and more. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss it, because soon I'll upload that Facebook ad course on this very channel for free. Anyways, your job is to track your Facebook ad campaign daily. If it doesn't follow the rule, stop it and try a different product. This way you won't lose your money. And make sure to try fulfillment.com's dropshipping service. To get started with fulfillment.com, just click the get a free code button and start your dropshipping journey. Link in the video description. So that's the end of this video. If you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to check out all the important links in the video description as well as in the pinned comment. So that being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.